Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Dietz. I'm the Senior Manager of Training and Development at Meridian Knowledge Solutions. I've been in the learning and development industry for over 15 years, and I'm so excited to speak with you on October 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll talk about how to create a memorable and meaningful hybrid learning experience for your team. This webinar will offer you insights to develop your own high-impact hybrid learning that bridges gaps, achieves objectives, and leaves a lasting impression on your workforce. Join me on October 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time to dive deeper into how to create a more successful hybrid learning environment for your organization.